10 Wonders about Amazon Forest Biodiversity Extravaganza. An amazing forest is a haven of biodiversity, teeming with a vast array of plant and animal species. From towering trees to tiny insects, each element plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Ancient giants. Within these forests, you can find majestic and ancient trees that have stood the test of time for centuries, if not millennia. These giants, like the redwoods or baobabs, evoke a sense of awe and mysterious wildlife. The forest is home to a myriad of elusive and mysterious creatures, some of which have yet to be fully explored and understood by science. From nocturnal creatures like owls and flying squirrels to rare and endangered species, every encounter is a unique experience. Medicinal marvels. Many forests are rich sources of medicinal plants and herbs that have been used by indigenous communities for generations to treat various ailments. These botanical wonders continue to intrigue researchers with their potential medicinal properties. Symbiotic relationships. In the forest, you'll witness fascinating symbiotic relationships between plants and animals. Examples include mycorrhizal fungi forming partnerships with trees, benefiting both parties in nutrient exchange. Seasonal transformations. The magic of the forest extends through the seasons, offering a constantly changing landscape. From vibrant spring blossoms to the fiery hues of autumn, each season brings its own allure and charm. Pristine rivers and waterfalls. Forests often give rise to pure and untouched rivers and waterfalls, adding to the overall enchantment. These natural water features provide essential habitats for aquatic life and offer serene spots for visitors to relax and contemplate. Sounds of nature. The sounds of an amazing forest create a symphony of life. From the gentle rustle of leaves to the melodious calls of birds and the chatter of primates, the auditory experience is like stepping into a symphonic masterpiece composed by nature itself. Conservation efforts. Amidst concerns about deforestation and habitat loss, many amazing forests have become focal points for conservation efforts. Witnessing these initiatives firsthand, from reforestation projects to protected areas, inspires hope and encourages us to protect these wonders for future generations. Visiting an amazing forest can be a transformative experience, connecting us to nature's wonders and reminding us of the importance of preserving these extraordinary ecosystems. Hidden canopies. The forest canopy, the uppermost layer of branches and leaves, is a breathtaking sight to behold. Walking through the forest, you'll discover hidden wonders as beams of sunlight filter through the dense foliage, creating an enchanting play of light and shadow.